In this quick video, I will show you how to stake ICOSA step by step. So the first step is to go to app.icosa.pro, then click connect wallet. And you can see there are two available wallets here. We have Metamask and Wallet Connect, and I'm gonna choose Metamask. Now, as you can see, I've already added my Metamask wallet, and you can see my Metamask wallet address here. And once you have connected your Metamask wallet, go to Hedron sub here. If you don't have HEX token yet, you can go to your Metamask wallet, then swap your Ethereum with HEX. Then type the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, for example 5 Ethereum, and note that you must leave enough Ethereum in your Metamask wallet because you are going to use it for the gas fees. Now click review swap here, then you will get equivalent amount of HEX token here. And once you have HEX token in your Metamask wallet, create stake, and then type the amount of HEX you want to stake, and then type the stake length or how long you're going to stake your HEX token. Then under the stake length, you have your stake type, and choose HSI encapsulated. Now for example, I want to stake 5,000 HEX and then 50 days. Then you can see here the bigger pays better bonus, longer pays better bonus, and the stake shares. Now once you have staked your HEX token, go to actions here, then you're gonna need to tokenize your staking. Now if you don't have a HEX token in your Metamask wallet yet, you can simply click here on the icon, then you can add your HEX token here. And once you have added your HEX token, go to ICOSA here, then you can also add the ICOSA token here. Just click on the icon and then click add token. And once you have tokenized your staking, and you can see here the tokenized HSIs, and below here you can see the tokenized HSIs, and you're gonna need to sell all. Then type the amount of HSI you want to sell, then you will get the equivalent amount of ICOSA token. Now once you have ICOSA, go create new ICOSA stake here, click here, and you can type the amount of ICOSA you want to stake here. For example, I want to stake 5,000 ICOSA, and you can see the stake points here and the minimum stake days. Now once you have typed the amount of ICOSA you want to stake, you're gonna need to click here, but as you can see I have insufficient ICOSA balance, but you're gonna need to click stake ICOSA here, then the confirmation from Metamask will pop up and you're gonna need to confirm it. If you have any questions about how to stake ICOSA, leave a comment below.